Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. So this past days, you can see for sure that I haven't really made any video on any trading or showcasing any trade that I've taken so far this week, because I just got into this trade on Monday. It was a very nice trade, so I did not really have to do that. If it's not broken, don't try to fix it, right? I don't have to be looking forward to getting hit. I don't have to be looking forward to executing trades that are just going to be bad trades, right? No, because my entry was obviously extremely solid, right? So if it's extremely solid, just allow the trend to push. Allow it to push and give it time to breathe, right? Give it time to breathe. Now, if you are actually looking forward for this strategy, the strategy that I use, I actually made a video on the strategy that I use on this trade. I think 2 days ago I made a video on that. I've not really posted it because the price the chart itself hasn't really hit the TP. I always like for it to hit the TP before I actually finish everything about the video, but I had to finish it today because you can obviously see that we are hitting this trend line right here, and there's a high chance we'll drop through it. If we drop through it, that's a major reason for me getting out of all these trades right here. And yes, immediately after I finish this video, of course, I'll be getting out of one first TP. I'll be getting out of my take profits. That will be for the trade one, leaving the second trade. But yes, that is just it. That is just it. We can see a double top right here. Price creating a double rejection from a fair value gap. So I should be worried. Yes, I should be worried that price might push all the way down. But at the same time, I can start trailing my stop loss. This strategy was extremely easy. You could have been able to use it as well. It doesn't really happen more often. That is why I don't really concern myself about teaching it. Yeah, but yes, this is what we are having on a bigger view. This right here is what we are having on a bigger view. As you can see, price has just pushed all the way up from a fair value gap, and we are dropping down. So I have to end this video right here so that I can close my first trade, and I'll start trailing my second trade, right? I still think price can still shoot all the way up because I've not really hit my target, which is this zone right here. I want price to get to this zone before a massive drop. But let's see what happens next.